Dad gonna die?
No, because Brian's the one with the brain. What's the prognosis?
Well, it says here Brian's tumor is for office use only.
Benign. It says benign.
Oh, Brian, let's watch the movie. Is it going to be okay?
Winning.
Remember somebody said that?
Well, if Brian's tumor poses no immediate threat, we can schedule surgery to remove it, and he'll be back to his old self in no time.
I say we get that tumor off of his right away before he gets any dumber.
Oh, hey, I'm never going back to my old self. Holy shit, a goober. Awesome sauce.
You're gonna take the tumor off of him or put one in me. I can't stand this.
So if Brian doesn't have the surgery, will he be all right?
Back shivered, all right?
That's who's planning to do it.
My point is, Brian could have the surgery if he's smart enough, or he could skip the surgery and stay dumb like this.
Well, Brian, if you're happy this way,
Hell